Welcome back to the channel. I am Racky Ryan. Today I am going to be talking about one of my favorite investments of all time.
Hey, you still awake? You want a game?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Whoa!
Oh my God. This is crazy. What the?
Something that is going to be huge in the future is escapism. They're going to create virtual worlds that are so real that people are going to want to spend more time in that world than they do in real life. And this company is the best at creating virtual worlds. So at this point, you're probably wondering, what is the company? Well, the name of the company is Activision Blizzard. This weekend is the annual BlizzCon conference. So what is BlizzCon? BlizzCon is an event where Blizzard shows all of their upcoming games.
Blood is the key.
You gotta be kidding me! It worked!
Weary, but no king rules forever. You are unfit to wear this crown.
So while I've touched on the Blizzard aspect, they also are Activision. And what does Activision do? They make Call of Duty. Activision Call of Duty, Blizzard makes Blizzard games, and they also own Candy Crush. So not only did you just witness all of these games that are in Blizzard, but they have probably the leading franchise of games of all time in Call of Duty. Call of Duty, Warzone, they have created a virtual world.
It's go time! Let's move! Move it! Go! Light 'em up!
How many of you out there that play Call of Duty play with your friends? It's a social event. So imagine in the future something like Westworld or that Black Mirror episode. People are going to spend more time in the virtual world than they do in real life. I guarantee it. In fact, I'm betting on it. It's my largest holding. So another reason why I like Activision Blizzard specifically is because they hit so many different types of gamers. So if you're a gamer who likes to play first-person shooting games, then you have Call of Duty. If you're a person who likes to play strategy games, then you have all these Blizzard games. Or if you're a person who likes to play games on your mobile phone, well, they have Candy Crush. How many of you out there play Candy Crush? So they hit all of these different types of genres of gamers.
Esports has a huge fan base that pack arenas to watch their favorite players go head to head.